Welcome to this presentation of the Android app called Subscription Renewal Tracker. With this app, you'll stop getting surprised by unexpected charges. On the home screen, you have all the upcoming subscriptions displayed, as you can see here. On the calendar part, you can click on any date to open the subscriptions that will renew on that date. On the bottom part, that's basically the same data but as a list, ordered by dates. The subscription status is a filter, because you can set the subscription to be activated, paused, or canceled. Now let's review the subscription view of the app. This is the list of all the subscription we've set up and for which we will get a notification reminder. As you see, there's a search engine and a filter available. Now let's edit a subscription that we track. As you can see, there's many specific fields, but we've tried to keep things simple. As a specific configuration, you set a currency, and you have some choices regarding the billing cycle. You may need to define an end to the billing cycle if that's a subscription that stops at a specific date. In the subscription configuration, you can also select one of the payment types available, like credit or direct debit. If that's a custom payment, it's better to give a name to it. Then there is the status of the subscription. It's possible to pause or cancel it, and the notifications will stop. You can also define categories or custom notes here. You have the option to activate Android notifications to be triggered at a special time. It's useful when you need to take action before canceling a subscription. Finally, you have the subscription export options. You can export any of them as text, CSV file, or directly as ICS to your calendar. We'll see later in the settings that we also have export, import, and backup options. Now we're in the app settings, and there are some interesting things to check. For example, on top, you can set up your default currency. The date format is also something useful. Then you have the app languages, of course. The Android theme, you can force a theme of your preference. In the notification settings, you can define how the notifications will be set up by default when creating a new subscription or even test a notification. If you hit the test notification, you'll see the upcoming notification triggered. Finally, you have the export, import, and backup options. You have the option to export all your app data locally, as a CSV or a text file in order to do a local backup or, for example, to restore the backup later. The backup file can be exported or imported from Google Drive too. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to visit our website or the Google Play using the links in the description. Bye.